Hey guys, Colby here with MCAD. I'm going to do a quick demonstration on our new DIMSPRINKLERSYSTEM LISP routine that's going to be provided with the 2025 Fire Sprinkler CAD Basics Bootcamp. And we demonstrated earlier this month some LISP routines that are included with the bootcamp that we're working in nanoCAD 5. But this particular LISP routine that we're demonstrating today doesn't work in nanoCAD 5, but all of those other ones that we demonstrated the other day will work in here. So what is the DIMSPRINKLERSYSTEM command though? Well, if you're familiar with our bootcamp, we have a dimension style setup, MCAD sprinkler, in the template that you're provided with. And I'll just demonstrate. If I just hit, I have the MCAD sprinkler dimension style selected. So if I go to a linear dimension and go from that sprinkler to this sprinkler, and then the third click will place it in space on the line. And then I just go to dim continue, and I can just go through and I can click on the next sprinkler, the next intersection, and then there's the last intersection, and it would keep going, or I can right click to end it, which I'm going to do. So that's, pretty standard dimensioning in an AutoCAD or DWG based program. I'm just going to isolate those dimensions real quick so I can erase those and then unisolate. And I'm going to just go down to my command line here and type in our LISP routine, and it is called DIMSPRINKLERSYSTEM. And you'll notice as I'm typing it out, it pops up eventually, automatically. Everything that was spelled possibly with those first few letters came up as a possibility until I only had the letters in this command. I'm going to zoom back out now. It's saying, if you'll notice here, select entities now. So I'm going to zoom out, and I'm just going to make a selection box around the entire sprinkler system. And again, down here in the box, it tells me that I selected 1142 entities. A lot of that includes the walls and whatnot, but this command is going to recognize what is not the walls and what's the piping. So I'm going to right click now. I'm done. And there we go. It just dimensioned everything just like that. Pretty instantaneously. I'm going to, just to show you how fast that is, I'm going to isolate these dimensions, delete. Okay, there's no dimensions. I'm going to type DIMSPRINKLERSYSTEM, enter, select, right click, and boom, there's my dimensions, just like that. So if you want to check out this LISP routines and the others that we mentioned in our nanoCAD 5 video previously this month, come check out the 2025 Winter Fire Sprinkler CAD Basics Bootcamp and get your hands on these LISP routines to automate your workflows in fire sprinklers. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Look forward to seeing you again.